Your startup has a killer app or product, but no one's finding it. Why? Because you are fighting a silent war between SEO and ASO, and most startup picks the wrong side. If you focus only on Google SEO, you are missing thousands of mobile users. If you care only about App Store optimization, you are ignoring people searching for answers on Google. In this video, I'll break down SEO versus ASO, which one truly matters more for your startup, and how to win at both. Stick around. I am also giving away a free startup optimization checklist at the end. Let's be real. Most startup founders guess their growth strategy. You either build a site and hope Google picks it up, or you drop your app in the store and pray for downloads. But guess what? You're losing visibility, users and sales.
One of our clients had a great education app. Their traffic tanked. Why? All their focus was on App Store optimization and zero SEO. They were not showing up on Google when parents asked best learning app for kids. We flipped the script, optimized their landing page for Google and boosted their app ASO score. Result was 4x traffic, 2.7x installs, and simple tweaks. Huge return on investments and everything. That's what ASO and SEO do together.
Here's the truth. SEO and ASO are not enemies anymore, but they are teammates. SEO brings awareness, ASO drives actions. When you use SEO to rank blog posts, landing pages, and PR, you create discoverability. When you fine-tune your app title, keywords, and reviews, you increase conversations. And when you align both, you build unstoppable visibility. I will put a startup optimization checklist, SEO plus ASO, in simple document. You can download it for free. Links in the description box below. So here's the move. If your startup has a website, don't sleep on SEO. If you got an app, you must nail your ASO. If you have both, align them like a growth machine. And hi, if you want more bite-sized tips like this, subscribe and drop your biggest startup challenge in the comment section below. I'll turn it into a video. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.